Hey everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I got my new glider original version 4, which is very nice, and Glider was nice enough to send me one. If you would be interested in checking these out, I'll put a link in the description to Glider's website, and these will be dropping very soon, I think in about a week or so. So that'll be in the description if you want to check it out. But anyways, let's get into the tutorial. Today I'll be teaching another closing, which looks like this. To do this closing, simply start out in the open standard grip, grabbing onto the safe handle, and you're going to start out by fanning. But you really only want to do like a half rotation of one fan. Like this is one rotation, so do about half of one and stop about here, and then from here you're going to go and fan opposite direction, and you're going to do one half rotation and you're going to do one full rotation in opposite direction, and then you're just going to close it. So to recap, start out in the open standard grip, grab onto the safe handle, start by doing a fan, but only fan half one rotation, turn back opposite direction and do one full rotation, and then just simply close it. Thanks for watching. I hope the video helped you out. If it did, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming uploads. And check out the merch if you want to. That link will be in the description as well. I'll see y'all in the next tutorial.